I go hard in the motherfucking paint, nigga. Leave you stankin', nigga. What the fuck you thinking, nigga? I won't die for this shit or what the fuck I say. Front yard, broad day with the SK. See Gucci, that's my motherfucking nigga. I hang in the jail with them hit squad killers. Walk a flock of flame on the hood ass nigga. Riding real slow, bending corners, my nigga.
What up with it, y'all? It's Swole Waver, the swollest waver on YouTube. And I know the last time y'all heard from me, y'all heard that that I cut a little plug in my hair because I was rushing. But I decided to do a little video of my nighttime brushing because my hair started to grow back. But man, before I get started with that, it got me to thinking. Y'all saw the intro to this video and heard the music in the background. So I got to thinking one day, I was like, man, if I was to ever walk into a room, what would be my theme music? And I was thinking and thinking, and I was like, Flocka, that go hard in the paint. That would be my theme music because everything I do, I go hard on it. Everything I do. So that's my perfect theme music. So if y'all got one, comment at the bottom what your theme music will be. And it'll be interesting to see what y'all come up with. As y'all see, y'all already know where I'm from. That's Shy. So I'm repping it hard right now. But yeah, I just want to show y'all my brushing routine for tonight. How I progress so far. And maybe this will help some of y'all out. So it ain't gonna be that much talking. It's just gonna be straight brushing. So y'all pay attention to the angles and enjoy that video. So every time, since Go Hard in the Paint is my theme music, every time I take my do-rag off, every time I take my shirt off, y'all gonna hear my theme music play. So I ain't seen this from no other waver, so don't be biting my shit, yo. Alright? Don't bite my shit. Alright? Stay tuned. Let's get this brush session in.
No, that shit is too easy. Too easy. No. That shit is too easy. Fuck it. I don't want to play no more. I'm through. I don't play no more. We don't want to play no more, man.